welcome back to our channel, Walker Family TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emeka, and return subscribers, I hope y'all enjoy this video. And in today's video, we're outside on the farm, and we're going to be painting T-posts. We started on some of them. I'm going to have a video that comes out and show you what we did and to get our fence, because we've been working on a fence, and right now we're painting them, so I'm going to show you that. And also, you know, I'm going to be feeding the goats, and I'm going to be showing you the puppies, how they're doing. So I got a lot going on today. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And here we go. Okay guys, we tried to find any information of anybody that has painted a T-post, but we couldn't, so we was like, you know what, we're gonna try it. So that's what we are doing. And the puppies are 4.5 to 5 weeks. Okay guys, we are coming to the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And until the next time, bye.